Right. Hi, Ahmed. I'm going to try and quickly demo how this looks in real time because on Zulip, you've got this kind of inboxy, emaily thing, and then you've got your direct messages. I've had them with you and so on. But we're in channels here and we're trying to do a new valuation. So I'm going to hit that plus button. I've got my channel with Giskard just like you do now. And I'm going to do a new topic. I'm going to do Tesla. I want to value Tesla and value it like I did for the prompt for Klarna with one change. I'm going to say, hi, Giskard, give me full DCF valuation on Tesla following the, following the Damodaran NYU Stern process, step by step, and leveraging financial fundamentals of the company. So, for all key calculate, let's see how that goes. Hit that, and you can see Giskard's looking, working, etc. If you've made a mistake in the topic or you want to change anything, you can edit with this. It's really simple. You just change it. Something else. That marking is resolved. I don't really use, but you can, if you've got issue and like an issue, your topic is an issue and you want to resolve it, then it resolves it. This is more for showing other people. Um, yeah, and you've got your following button and you've got these commands. The Tesla valuation will pop up in the next 10 to 20 seconds. Here we go. Walk you through a comprehensive DCF and it does everything. Key metrics, going through the end of 24, with margins, capital requirements. So, pretty structured, decent valuation. I want to vary something. Although you've already got a WACC sensitivity in here, which is pretty useful, and also a terminal growth sensitivity, so you can adjust. You can also generate bull case and bear case per earnings per share and per share intrinsic pricing, and you just prompt for it. If you want that in your result, you just say, I want you to include, and you'll get it. Now, this is super useful for a lot of reasons. We've got this huge valuation piece, and I can click this, I can quote it, forward it. I forwarded to you all there were 6 or so messages on a firm, and I sent you the bonus Klarna stuff. You can move it to a different topic. If I want this message I accidentally asked about Klarna or a firm, I can put it in a firm. I can create a new topic for Klarna and put it in there. And you can view the original message, which means seeing essentially the free text. That way you can copy paste it pretty easily into different formats. This is formula rendering improvement. What else can you do? You can copy a link to it and share it with people in an email or in another form, and so on. You can also start one and say, I want to think about my next prompt on Tesla, and I don't know what to do, but I want to go look at something else now. So I'm gonna save the draft and start a new message. If I don't save the draft, I can move around, but it means you can't access other things actively or live. It stays in this message about Tesla. So you save the draft, and then you can always pick it out of your drafts. I have 4. So that's how it works in real time, and hopefully that is useful to see sort of dynamically. Um, we can talk about Tesla. I won't forward you the prompt, you know the prompt, but let's just forward this to you. I'm going to do a direct message. I can forward it to another topic or channel. I can forward it to these amplify channels, which I do. In fact, this could go into Giskard amplify feedback. There is actually, I think, a Tesla topic there. There is. Put it in there, right there, and send. It's there. And I'm going to make this public for everybody who's on the platform using it. So useful stuff, I hope, in terms of the community and sharing and testing theories and getting people to kick the tires on stuff. Um, yeah, we look forward to it when Damadaran's on here. For now, I'm going to be talking to the other Stern guys and see who wants to jump on this week. Okay, buddy, have a good evening. Thanks so much and speak around Wednesday.